Hi Bob. So in this video I will be showing you my new Nike Air Pulse Zoom shoes. I needed new work shoes anyway and had some discount for this particular brand of shoes. As I worked with the NHS before, I had a blue light card and had a bit more discount from the current company that I work in. So just a typical Nike box, and now let's open it. And just the shoes. I bought the all black one just because it is the required color for my workplace.
Black, nice.
So as soon as I opened it, it didn't appeal to me as much because it didn't really look as pretty as your usual trainers would do. So that's the shoes. In first glance it looks like a pair of Crocs, but with a shiny covering. And they're slip-on as well on the back. I've tested out the shoes for you guys, and indeed they are very comfortable. But the only problem I found was that if you wear ankle-high socks, the back strap tends to pull on it and eventually it goes down. So I suggest that you wear knee-high socks or stockings with these shoes. I think this pair of trainers is a good buy and would be very helpful for those in the medical profession or just generally for people who are on their feet most of the time. I would highly suggest that you purchase this and try to look for discounts for it as well, because personally it's quite pricey for me. It has a slip-on design and has two pull tabs and a flexible heel that allows for easy on and off. The strap is elastic and the sole can be removed. This pair of trainers is liquid proof, so it protects you from accidental spillages, and they're very easy to clean as well, hence the way they look. Shiny and no fenestrations like Crocs do. And I really liked these trainers, and the Nike Zoom Pulse seemed to be owning up to its reputation, at least for me. And if you watched this video throughout the end, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.